Hey everyone, and welcome back. We've journeyed through the world of retrieval augmented generation, exploring everything from basic RAG systems to advanced techniques like self correction and re ranking. But today, we are diving into something that feels like it's from the future, a method where your AI doesn't just search for answers, it first imagines the perfect answer before even looking for it. This revolutionary idea is called HiDE, or Hypothetical Document Embeddings. So, what exactly is HiDE and why is it so powerful? HiDE is a brilliant RAG technique designed to solve one of the most common challenges in retrieval systems, the semantic gap. Often, a user's question is phrased very differently from how information is written in documents. HiDE bridges this gap with a simple but genius three-step process. Step 1 is hypothetical document generation. Instead of directly using the user's query, we first ask our language model to generate a hypothetical document, a detailed, well structured passage that perfectly answers the question. Step 2 is retrieval. We take this hypothetical AI generated passage and use its embedding to search our vector store. Since this generated answer is rich in context, it retrieves documents that are much more relevant than those found using the original short query. And finally, step 3 is response. Once we have the top relevant documents, we feed them, along with the original question, back into our language model to generate a grounded, accurate, and contextually rich final answer. Now, let's dive into the code setup. We'll start by installing our key libraries: Sentence Transformers for embeddings, LangChain as our core framework, LangChain Grok for accessing Grok's lightning fast language models, and ChromaDB for our vector store. Once installed, we'll import everything we need and set up our API keys for Grok and Hugging Face. You can find the links to get your free API keys in the description below. Our codebase is neatly structured into three main parts: a function to load and process data from a given URL, another to create and populate our vector store, and finally, the main hide underscore rag function, the brain of our system, which runs the full HiDE pipeline. Inside the hide underscore rag function, the real magic happens. It begins by taking the user's query and passing it into our first prompt template called hide underscore prompt. This prompt instructs the LLM to generate a hypothetical passage that would answer this question. The output is a detailed, imagined answer, what we call the hypothetical document. That's our generation step. Next, we take the embedding of this generated document and perform a similarity search on our vector store. Notice that we are no longer searching with the user's original query. We are searching using the imagined perfect answer. This is the key insight of HiDE. By embedding a rich, semantically complete document, we get much more meaningful and relevant search results. After retrieving the top documents, we combine their content into one context block. Then, we pass both this context and the original question into our final prompt. The model processes them together and generates the final response, grounded in real data but guided by the ideal conceptual answer it imagined first. Let's see this in action with a live example. We'll initialize our Grok language model. Here, we're using Llama 3.8b for its speed and efficiency. For our knowledge base, we'll use data pulled directly from the Wikipedia page on artificial intelligence and store it in ChromaDB as vector embeddings. Now, let's run a query. What are the ethical considerations in AI development? This question is broad and nuanced, making it perfect for HiDE's imaginative approach. When we run our hide underscore rag function, the first thing we see is the hypothetical document. It's a beautifully structured paragraph that discusses bias, fairness, job displacement, privacy, and accountability. Essentially, the ideal answer. Next, we look at the retrieved context, the real-world documents that our system found based on this generated passage. You'll notice they are highly relevant, closely matching the ideas from the hypothetical document. Finally, we see the final answer, an accurate, well-structured response that combines factual grounding with conceptual clarity. It's like the model imagined the answer, then went out and proved it true. And that's how you build a RAG system using hypothetical document embeddings. HiDE is a powerful, elegant technique that helps tackle complex questions and bridge the gap between human intent and machine understanding. The complete code for this project is available on my GitHub. The link is in the description below, so you can clone it and experiment with your own questions. If you found this deep dive helpful, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future tutorials.